Alright, this is a video of the carjacking yesterday. I think it was February 1st, 2020 at 9:30 a.m. or p.m. Ended at 3:30 a.m. So that's our boat. The brick wall, the car was sitting right there and it went through the brick wall, hit our boat. The boat went through our house. So I'll take this video, all the damage. There's our boat sticking in our house. Take a good shot of this. Right there. Went right through our bathroom. Here's the fence right here. Damaged the fence, took out the fence. Okay, keep rolling. There's the fender from the car. This is the inside of the fence where it damaged it. Damaged this whole fence that comes off because it's damaged. Broke the road ties. The car was sitting right in there. There's the boat. There's a hole in the house. It damaged our trailer. Broke the rod off right down the middle. In the middle of it. Wheel. That's all the damage. This fence is destroyed. There's our brick wall. Went all the way into the neighbor's yard. Went all the way into the neighbor's yard. Right here. Damaged our trailer. Some damage on the boat, but not much. The most of the damage got to the brick wall and to our house. You can see it's damaged right there. And that stick thing sitting right there is part of the bow on top. Anyway. That's our boat, what's left of it, and our brick wall. Jesus. That's sitting right in our back. It went through our bathroom wall. The boat's inside the house on the other side of the wall, inside. Busted right through our wall. Wow, twisted that. That's all bent. That's damaged right there. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna end this, and that's what our house looks like now. All right.